This is a video to show you how to upgrade your PLC to a newer version of software. I'm going to do that with a SD card. This is a card has no files on it. This is how you hold the card, and then it inserts into the PDMM slot. And I'll show it to you on a drive that's not installed. Simply insert it. You want to do this with the power off. And now you're ready to proceed with the update. Okay, so we have our blank SD card inserted into the PDMM. The drive is powered up and running. The next thing we have to do is to open a browser and enter the address of the drive, 192.168.50.101. And that brings up the drive. We're connected to the switch in the cabinet and directly to the PC. So now we're going to log in. We're going to enter the password, which is administrator, same as the username. Log in. Okay, so now we're logged in as administrator. Next thing we're going to do is go to KS application, and we're going to stop the drive. All right, so next, backup and restore, import, and choose the file, the imported backup file. So we go and we browse to the file. Now I have my file under loader v13 directory, and the file is KAS controller backup. Now the file name will be the same for the unloader, so you have to choose the right file. I know this is the correct one for the loader. So I click open, and then I go replace controller backup. Now what this is doing is it's taking all of that backed up material and placing it onto the SD card. So it's the drive firmware, the PLC code, and other things. So now it says controller import was successful. So we'll click OK. Now we go to restore, and we say restore controller. And it asks us to OK. There we go. So now it's restoring all of the firmware and PLC code into the PDMM. And if we go over to the PDMM, we see that this is wheeling around, and that's an indication that it's uploading that backup file. So we wait till that's complete. It takes several minutes. Okay, once the restore is complete, you'll get a message that it was restored, and you can hit OK here. And now we can exit this, and you can come over here. You can see that it stopped wheeling. Everything is good. So I'm going to shut the power off, and then you can remove the SD card. And when you turn power back on, it should come up in run mode with the new program.